pick me up? You brand new TV. Hey guys, Jerome and I are here chilling, right? And guess what just come to me? The pick them tried this at school with me, you know, so I'm gonna try it with Carl. And Carl went out to grab tacos, right? So, Jerome, we're gonna tell Daddy, you know them have the screen where it look like a break, Jerome? We're gonna put you up on the TV and we're gonna tell Daddy say you broke the TV screen. We catch your reaction here? You ready? Hey Jerome, you can't laugh it out, you know the way we did laugh out the prank the one time. You ready? Alright, look. Bam. Jerome, I'm gonna call Daddy and see which part in there. Alright? Yeah, we fine. One crack screen, you know, it look real for you, you know. They pick them at my school, them the crack screen for me, Jerome, with the laptop, them. Oh, watch the guys, it look real though. One new TV this we getting recently. And, is that Daddy coming? Jerome Fred. Y'all, this looks so real. Why? And Jerome, smart Jerome said, let's pause it because the ads will come on. All right, y'all. Let's see what happens. We just call him and he say, my week on the food in soon come. You better laugh out though. Yeah, wait. Oh, you see, get out. Now make you see your people now. Guys, I hope I can't see it. I hope him don't notice. I hope I can't see what I'm going. I'm going to put this so. I'm going to put this so. Put it so. Yeah, you ready? Jerome, I'll be wearing the eye till he come in. You ready? He's about to come in. Alright. You know, feel hot?
Yeah.
I wonder why. You know, notice nothing different. You know, see my car here?
What? What happened?
Look what you're picking up. You brand new TV.
No. You did not.
Call him, ask him.
What happened?
Where is it?
That's not real.
Jerome! Your daddy, I thought both saying not real. Okay, daddy, it's not real.
What?
That.
What happened?
Do you want me to show you what?
Yes. It wasn't real.
You kept saying that, but you weren't 100% sure. That's why I kept saying, yo, call him out here and find out.